Das ist gar nicht mehr so lange her. Da war die Natur, da hat man die Vögel singen gehört, die Flüsse waren sauber, die Luft war rein und die Menschen haben sich versteckt. Und, ja, hätten wir schön neu anfangen können, aber nun ja. Ist vorbei, ist alles wie früher oder noch schlimmer. Silent Spring. I'm walking through the dreary streets while even fall has begun. A lonely car is passing by at the last red of the sun. It's quiet and most of the curtains are closed, just a distant radio sounds. Over there a campfire gives up some heat, but nobody is sitting around. The air is fresh, the water's clear, and nature takes a breath. While many people take cover for fear of death. Humans run silent and birds still sing. Welcome to a road silent spring. A factory a bit like a monument resting abandoned on the hill. No smoke is leaving the chimney's row, all engines are standing still. The city indeed has quite fallen asleep, just isolated in the faces of sight. And no funny crowd is rustling around through this wonderful Saturday night. The air is fresh, the water's clear, and nature takes a breath. While many people take cover for fear of death. Humans fall silent while birds still sing. Welcome to the road, silent spring. A strange kind of ominous peace is covering the moods. The plants grow up in the blooming colors while humans remember the roots. Time will tell whether the landscape has fell back into pre-industrial state, or has been even more sacrificed just for sure. It's a good moment to change the fate. That the air stays straight, that the water stays clear, that nature must die for all. This could be the chance for a new spring or a new fall. Humans fall silent while birds still sing. Welcome to the road, silent spring. Silent spring.